What's good, y'all boys? It's your boy Zay, and this is like take 5 of this video, man. I recorded this whole thing smoothly, no errors, no nothing. Then I watch it, my phone was overheated, picture didn't match up with the audio. So yeah. So I already showed y'all in the past a full build review. So what I'm gonna show y'all now is how much I spent on the build so far. And what we're not gonna include is I'm only including like the current build so far, so not old wheels and tires, old suspension, anything like that. So yeah. Let's go ahead and get started off with the tires, wheels, and suspension. So first things first, we got the Continental Extreme Contact DWS wheels. And they are 235 40x18. And that was $871 for a whole set. And then the wheels, AVID 1, AV6, $864, bro. Whole set of 4. And together I got them installed because I'm not for sure, but I think I got them from Fitment Industries. And you know, they come mounted and balanced already. So I got them installed all at one time and it was $125 for the install. And then next off, we got the R1 Concepts. I got the brake pads and rotors all the way around. And I had got it on discount at the time. I actually found the receipt. That was $168.90. But I'm gonna round that up. I ain't gonna add the 90 cents or whatnot. And it was $50 to install them. But really, that was like $300, but I had got like a big discount at the time. And yeah, onto suspension, we got the iBox Pro Kit lowering springs. That was $350 and $200 for the install. And with the Pro Kit, I didn't get like the whole kit or set where you come with the roll bar and stuff like that. I didn't get that, I just got the lowering springs. So yeah, all in all for the suspension, tires, and wheels, it's been $2,628 out of my pocket, bro. Anyways, next to the engine stuff, you know, these are the engine components and whatnot, performance things. So we're gonna start off with the exhaust. I got the NVIDIA M1 catback exhaust. It was $640, $200 for the install. And bro, I remember that like it was yesterday, man. First install on the car, that was before I even had tires and wheels, anything. That's before I even know about cars, really. I just wanted my car to sound nice. Got that junk installed at Pep Boys, bro. Don't ever go to Pep Boys. Next, we got the PLM catless downpipe. And bro, that junk opened up. If you get a downpipe and it's catless, bro, it just opens up your car, bro. Opens up the exhaust, it sounds much better. Except, well, I don't know, some combinations with exhaust and catless downpipes, they don't sound too good. They sound raspy, but mine sound good, bro. And I give y'all a little sound clip. So yeah, it was $300 for the downpipe and $200 for the install. And then next we got the engine air intake. I need a new I can't even speak. I need a new intake, y'all. I need a new one. But that was $235, and of course I installed that by myself. The intake is like the easiest install, bro. If you're doing something to your car, most of the time it's an intake, bro. That's the first mod, bro. Everybody does that, and it's so easy to do. Just unscrewing a few things, tighten up some, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing crazy. And then we have a PLM intercooler, and I got the charge pipes as well. That was $600, and I believe I got it with the K-Tuner as well, so I'm gonna add that too to this grouping. I got the K-Tuner V1.2, and it came with the TSP tune, and that was $449. So I think I got that all in one, but I did not get it from Two-Step Performance, so I can't remember for sure. But all in all, it was $2,624 for the engine components and the tune. And this is where the big spending come in, bro. So I'm gonna group this as, I guess you can say, aero and aesthetics. So first things first is the window tint. The window tint was $110 originally, because I almost forgot to add it in here. Because at first I had got, well, right now it's all the way around 20% and it's on the front too. But at first I had only got a visor, and then I went back and got the whole window tinted instead. So all in all, it was $210. And then the body wrap, of course, because y'all know I have different wrap on the side mirrors and the roof. So the body wrap was $1,500, and then the side mirrors and roof wrap was $260. And those both done by the same person. I just got them done at different times. Because at first before I got the whole car wrap, I didn't really know. I wasn't for sure what color I wanted, but I knew I wanted carbon fiber on the sides and the top. I knew that for sure. So yeah, onto the side skirts, that was $110. And many of these things I got them off of eBay, and they was type R side skirts. Just like the side markers I got off of eBay, it was $35, and they came with the LED too. So just installed that as one little simple install. I was gonna show y'all how to do that in the fog lights install, but it wouldn't be organic since I already did it. So I don't, you know what I'm saying? I can't fake it for y'all. And then next we got the diffuser. Shout out to Snow's Utmost. If you need a diffuser made, bro, he'll do it for you. Any car that can have a diffuser, bro, he'll do it for you. The diffuser was $200. And the front lip, bro, I run through a lip like every 2 weeks, bro. Front lip was only $75. And then the wing, bro, a lot of y'all have been asking me about the wing lately. Just DM me and I'll send y'all the link. The wing was $200. We got the window visors. Those came in at $35. And then we got the spider tail lights. So fire, bro. Smoke tail lights. And I know y'all can see that little crack on the side, bro. I honestly don't know if they came like that, because I do remember dropping the box when I first got them before I installed them. So I don't know if I cracked it in or if the shipping company had cracked it. I'm not for sure. But then was $460. And then we got the Morimoto headlights. Bruh, them jumps are so fire and they so expensive. Anywhere you look, like if you look on like a car retail site or something like that, they're gonna be over $1,000, bro. But I got mine for $800 on eBay. And then we got the fog light LEDs, like I just talked about. That was just $20. And Honda hack, what we put in here, that was $35. And I also wanted to add floor mats because I don't know, bro. I just wanted to add them, bro. It was custom floor mats. They $110. And then we got the front grill. You never seen a grill like this, bro. Don't lie. I'm not gonna lie to y'all though. I seen somebody else with this front grill, and that's when I went to buy it, man. It's just too fire. So all in all, for the aero accessories and all that, $4,000, bro. $4,150. That's a lot of money. And I spent the most money there, but really when you think about it, that's more than I spent on performance. But really though, that's because I got to the point where I'm looking into turbos, you know, and internals and whatnot, and that stuff is not cheap, bro. Like, you know, you can get a turbo for like $2,000. Then I'm gonna have to get it installed. Then I'm gonna have to get a custom tune. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna need internals because I don't want the car to blow up, bro. I'm not gonna be one of them YouTubers with my car on the side of the road, engine blown. It's not happening. So in total, bro, for everything in total, we spent $9,402, bro. And really, that's not even the total, because I told y'all I didn't include things like my old tire and wheel setup and whatnot, and all the things I ran through and had to repair and replace, like underglue and whatnot. I probably spent like $1,500 on this car, to be honest, bro. Let's be real. And yeah, that's a lot of money, bro. I mean, when you getting in the cars though, you know that, bro. You know you're gonna spend a bag, bro. That's just how it is. Stuff ain't cheap. But yeah, man, I appreciate y'all for tuning in with your boy Zay. It's been a quick little video. I appreciate y'all for watching, like always, you know. Like, comment, subscribe, and share, bro, for more, man, you know.